Well, good morning. Today, this is MCR Accounting Quick Tip number 2. Now, the point of these quick tips is these are very simple decisions that you can make for yourself that have a payoff in simplifying two things: simplifying your bookkeeping and making it far, far easier to defend your claim in the event of a reassessment. So, quick tip number 2. Let's say you're a contractor. Let's say you're Joe's bathroom contractor. You're very good at what you do. People really like you. You got lots of work, and you're currently standing in the building supply store and you're purchasing materials for the job you just started. Okay? Those purchases are book kept as cost of goods sold. Your chart of accounts may call it something different. Same, you get the idea. Here's the tip. When you get to the till and remember that suddenly that you need a bag of water softener salt at home, don't do it. When you see sitting beside the till that fancy new laser goomahickie that has nothing to do with the job, don't do it. Right? It's not saying that there isn't legitimate personal purchases. What I'm saying is don't mix them into your receipt. And again, as I've mentioned in past videos, the reason is you dirtied up the receipt now, and there is a process. You can book keep these things back out. But that's why I'm calling these quick tips things to make your life easier. If you resist the urge to throw those extras in at the end of your materials purchase, and that doesn't mean you don't necessarily buy them. Maybe you just pay for them in a separate receipt. Then you don't create that trap for yourself where a CRA reassessment officer is sitting looking at the receipts he's just called for you, and he knows, right, that water softener salt has nothing to do with installing shower cabinets. He knows that, right? And you know that. So the easiest thing to do is to make the decision as a business person that when you are making business purchases, that's all that you're going to put on the receipt. And, you know, if there's some reluctance there because you think, oh, wow, that's really going to annoy the people at the till at the building supply, well, I have two things to say to that. One is, who cares? And two is, no, it won't. Because one of the reasons I'm doing these tips is because I see the difference between the people who know these things and are doing them and the people who don't. And these are such easy things to change that can make everything so much cleaner, easier, and better to defend for you. So that's the quick tip for today. When you're purchasing materials for your job, when you are buying towards cost of goods sold, that's all that goes on that receipt. Anything else you want to buy from that store, put it on a different receipt. Preferably put it on a different card, but at least put it on a different receipt. Have a nice day. Check back later.